Dear friends, once again welcome. Let us discuss about the combined transformations and when to pre-multiply the matrices and what is the meaning of this. Then when to post-multiply the matrices. So firstly, what is the combined transformation? And a transformation is what? Transformation is making movement of the object from one point to the another. Combined transformation, it consists of number of, yeah, you can see number of successive transformations, or you can say translation, and rotations, and or one can say about the fixed reference point or the frame or the moving frame. ठीक है. सो कंबाइंड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस में क्या होता है? ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस क्या होते हैं? ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस में सपोज रोबोट को कुछ मूवमेंट करना है, कुछ कैप्चर करना है, तो कैप्चर करने के लिए बहुत सारे ट्रांसलेशंस हो सकते हैं, बहुत सारे रोटेशंस हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो दैट इज द कंबाइंड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस. इसमें क्या होता है? या तो रोटेशन प्लस ट्रांसलेशन, या ट्रांसलेशन और रोटेशन प्लस रोटेशन, और देयर मे बी मेनी मोर नंबर ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस. ठीक है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सेइंग कंसिस्ट ऑफ number of successive translations and or rotation about a fixed reference point or the moving frame. ठीक है. reference frame or the moving frame. So this is the combined transformations. Okay. And when to pre-multiply? अब इसका मतलब क्या है? ठीक है. So suppose कोई point है like this is our x, y, z and reference coordinate system, or simply we write frame. This is the origin, and the another frame, this is frame, reference frame, and it is denoted by f, x, y, z. Okay. And some another frame, the way to write is, yeah, and another frame f n o a is coinciding. This is this is and just corresponding to x we are taking n, corresponding to y and o, corresponding to z a, NOA. That's why FNO. And this is what? This is the moving frame. Moving frame. Okay. And there is some point. There is some point P. Then, and it has some coordinates like 2, 3, 5 kind of things. Okay. So what we have to do, अब ये जानना है कि अब हमें प्री मल्टीप्लाई करना है और पोस्ट मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो प्री मल्टीप्लिकेशन is done if transformations are performed, transformations are performed with respect to the reference frame. ठीक है. तो अब कोई पॉइंट है और नंबर ऑफ सक्सेसिव सपोज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस हुए हैं. ठीक है. And transformations, suppose I'm just for example I'm taking first is rotation about z, about rotation about z some theta, then second translation of 3, 4, -4, 7, third one like again rotation about y axis by some angle. ठीक है. So क्या करना पड़ेगा इसमें सबसे पहले, now we have to get the coordinates we have to get, so that's why p new and is equal to this is p old. ठीक है. So p old जो भी पॉइंट्स है आपके like 2 3 5 p old, ओके. एंड उसके बाद जो भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस है कि इसके बाद देखिए सबसे पहले जो फर्स्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस है तो पी ओल्ड ये फर्स्ट यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, देन आपका सेकंड यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, देन थर्ड हियर इट विल कम टू हियर. ओके. सो वन कैन सी हियर द मल्टीप्लिकेशंस आर प्री मल्टीप्लाइड. ठीक है. प्री मल्टीप्लाइड मीन्स व्हाट, or you can say the order of multiplication, this is equal to order of multiplication of the matrices. कैसा है? and the order of the sequence of, or you can say the order of transformations. Are same. Can we see here जैसे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस कैसे हो रहा है, फर्स्ट रोटेशन हो रहा है, देन ट्रांसलेशन, देन अगेन रोटेशन अबाउट वाई. बट हियर होना कैसे चाहिए था कि आर जेड यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए था, फर्स्ट देन सेकेंड देन थर्ड. बट हियर सी कैसा हो रहा है, हियर ऑर्डर ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज लाइक दैट, बट मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज जस्ट रिवर्स. ठीक है. मतलब सबसे पहले जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ दैट इज प्री मल्टीप्लाइड बाई द पी ओल्ड. ओके. जो भी पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं, द कोऑर्डिनेट्स are given, then the second is pre-multiplied to first, then third is pre-multiplied to second. So in this way, if the transformations are performed with respect to the reference frame, then this is the order of multiplication. And see, the order of multiplication of the matrices and order of transformations are not same, not same, not same. Or you can say it is in reverse. Okay. Now next is when to post multiply. So same sequence. Suppose we take the sequence when to post multiply. So answer is here, if transformations are performed with respect to moving frame. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to post multiply. So the same sequence of transformations here we can write. क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? सबसे पहले जो old frame P old means this is the new frame, yeah, new coordinates, and this is the old coordinates, which is going to subject of multiple transformations. Okay. So अब क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, ये अपनी जगह यहीं पे रहेगा. Okay. But order of sequence is here, the first sequence of multiplication, then second, then third, then the old frame coordinates. So see here, order of multiplication and order of, this is order of, suppose transformations or multiplications are same with the order of transformations. Okay. So let us take this example. A point P is attached to a frame F and OA is subjected to the following transformations. Find the coordinates of the point relative to the reference frame at the conclusion of the transformations. So first one, rotation of 90 degree about z-axis followed by a rotation of 90 degree about the y-axis. Then third one followed by a translation of 4 minus 3 7. Okay, so let us solve this. So the matrix equation representing the transformations is what? So P new, we're going to know the new coordinates, that's why. और क्या करना है आपको? old coordinates. So that is P and O A, and P and O, that is what? P and O is equal to, you can see here, this point 7 3 1, and is a transpose. So this can be written as 7 3 1. If you remove the transpose T, so it becomes, the row becomes now column. Okay, and whether it will be pre-multiplied or post-multiplied. So see here, the point relative to the reference frame. Okay, so reference frame में क्या होता है? pre-multiplied, and pre-multiplied ये point के just बाद आपको देखना है what is the first transformation. So first transformation, this is, we are going to denote R Z and a 90 degree. So that's why here R Z 90 degree. Then pre-multiplied, and this is what? R Y 90 degree. R Y 90 degree. And then this we denote T trans and 4 minus 3 7. So that's why T trans, and this coordinate we write here. So this is the order of multiplication, and from this we can know how to write T and 4 minus 3 7 in matrix form. How to write? So there will be 4 by 4 matrix, it's obvious. Okay, and the last column 4 minus 3 7 1. This will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 here, and here will be 1, here will be 0, and here will be 1, here will be 0, here 0 0. Okay, in this way we can write the translation. It is what? Translation matrix. And what about RZ? So this is actually 3 by 3 matrix, but here already 4 into 4 4 by 4 matrix is there, so we need to convert it 4 into 4 matrix. Here conversion is required. So conversion में क्या करना है? This will be what? Rotation matrix, rotation about Z. So क्या हो जाएगा? This one, this one, this one here, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And So we have to add one more rows. So with 0, 0, 0. This will be 1 and the column wise 0, 0, 0. Okay? And this 3 by 3 is rotation matrix. 3 by 3 rotation matrix. In this way, we can convert all the transformations into matrix form. Then we can multiply in the sequence, and ultimately what we get after multiplication of these, we get P new is equal to 5, 4, 10, 1. This is the answer.